Well, it's an interesting site. It's quite large. We have 9,000 panels out there utilizing Tigo technology. It's a 4.1 megawatt system with 6 different rooftops. The integration of our pure signal technology allowed us to meet code and ensure that there was safe operation of the system on the roof. What's also crucial to understand is the dependability of Tigo is crucial. This institution generates millions of dollars worth of product every single day. To have even a moment of downtime would be devastating, which is why Catalyze trusted Tigo for this project.
I totally agree. Tigo's been there from the beginning, part of the initial strategy sessions to plan this feature build out. I think the relationship is strong now and it's going to continue to be strong. One of the things that we really like from a Catalyze perspective is your company's ability to innovate, to get ahead of the technology curve and to help us provide performance feedback and then get that realized in actual production. So we've enjoyed that relationship.
Yeah, that's a great point. I mean, I think we're enjoying the PurePoint technology that Tigo's introduced on this latest system. We're also introducing a 25 amp TS4 product, which should help you guys as you look to use larger solar panels.
Absolutely.
I think the value that Tigo provided, not only to this site, but to all sites, is customer service. You have questions, Tigo has answers.
The overall value proposition is the way we work with all of our clients, in that we engage early on and consult with them on the design at the project level, all the way through the installation. So from design to product selection, also to install support on site if necessary. And in this particular project, we provided all that.